Hi, welcome to the Parents Math Tutor. If you already watched my addition and subtraction strategies for parents video, then you have the tools you need to teach your children addition and subtraction at home. But this video is just for your students. Sit them down in front of the computer and have them follow along a math fact lesson with me.
This week, we're going to be learning about math facts. So the first question you might ask yourself is, what are math facts? Well, math facts are number sentences that have related number sentences. If you know all the number sentences that go together, math can be easier and go faster. So I have an example to show you. So here's two number sentences on my screen. 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. And then if I show you these two number sentences, 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 10 minus 6 equals 4, I want you to take a look at all four of these number sentences. They all have 6s, 4s, and 10s. If you look, I have two addition number sentences where we're adding the smaller numbers together and they both equal 10. And then I have two subtraction number sentences where we're starting with the biggest number and taking away one of the other two numbers. This is sometimes called a fact family, and these are math facts. This is just one example of math facts that we might learn in second grade. But if you know one of these number sentences and you have it memorized, it will help you solve the other number sentences. All right, so now's the part of the video where you're going to do some crafty things with Mrs. Shed. So you need to grab some construction paper, markers or crayons, and scissors. You can go ahead and pause the video right now. If you didn't already have these things in front of you, go get them and come back. Okay, hopefully you paused the video, you went and got your things that you need, and we are going to make some math fact flashcards together. All right. First, start with your construction paper. So your construction paper probably looks like this right now. All right. I want you to take your construction paper and I want you to cut each piece into 4 smaller pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way you have some card-sized pieces that you can use and write on. Go ahead and pause the video now while you cut and then press play when you're ready. All right. Now that you've cut all of your construction paper pieces, I want you to choose numbers under 20, and you can fill in each and every card with any number sentence that you choose. Don't write the answer on the front of your card. Remember that you need addition and subtraction. So here's a couple of examples. 3 plus 5 could be on one card, and 11 minus 4 could be on another card. You can choose any numbers that you'd like. Remember with subtraction that the bigger number goes first. Go ahead and fill in all your cards. You can press pause. Fill in the front of each card with a number sentence of your choice. Okay, now that you've filled in the front of all of your flashcards, now you need to flip them over and you need to write the correct answer on the back of the flashcard. If you need a parent's help with this, that's okay. You can ask them what the correct answer is before you put it on the back of the card. Go ahead and press pause and fill in all your answers on the back of your flashcards right now. Okay, now it's time to practice. So with a family member, you're going to play a game called My Pile, Your Pile. You're going to take your whole stack of flashcards, and there should be lots of them, lots of flashcards in your stack. You're going to have the grown-up or maybe older sibling in your family hold up a flashcard. If you can do the correct answer in 3 seconds or less, you get that card to keep in your pile. But if you get the wrong answer, or it takes you longer than 3 seconds to answer, it's going to go in the grown-ups pile. And at the end, you're going to count how many cards each of you has, and the one with the most cards is the winner. The best part is when you play this a bunch of times and you get more answers right more quickly, you start winning a lot. So definitely play My Pile your pile at home this week. Which math fact doesn't belong? And if you're a math fact expert and you know your math facts forwards and backwards, you're going to be able to play this game with me. Let's play. So here's the first question. It says, which number sentence doesn't belong? Let's look at the number sentences. A, 5 plus 3 equals 8. B, 8 plus 3 equals 12. Or C, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, let's look at these. Okay, if you think you know the answer, I want you to say A, B, or C out loud right now. Which one is wrong? All right, I know that A, 5 plus 3, does equal 8. That's a math fact I have memorized. And then if I come down here to the bottom, if 5 plus 3 equals 8, I know that 8 minus 3 has to equal 5 because it's a related fact. So that brings me to B. 8 plus 3 equals 12. That is not correct. 8 plus 3 does not equal 12. So hopefully you said B was the number sentence that doesn't belong. Now we need to fix it. 8 plus 3 equals what? What does 8 plus 3 equal? Say it out loud right now. Hopefully you said 8 plus 3 equals 11. Good job. Okay, now you know how this game works. So let's move on to the next one and we'll go a little bit quicker. Which number sentence doesn't belong? A, 6 plus 7 equals 13. B, 7 minus 6 equals 1. Or C, 13 minus 7 equals 5. Okay, I'm going to let you look at those. And on the count of 3, I want you to say A, B, or C. Which one's the right answer? 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you gave me an answer out loud. I know B is correct. I know that 7 minus 6 is 1. And then 6 plus 7 equals 13. Well, if that's true, then 13 minus 7 probably shouldn't equal 5. So hopefully you said C was the number sentence that doesn't belong, but we need to fix it. If 6 plus 7 equals 13, that means if I take 13 and I take away 7, I should be left with 6. So the correct answer is 13 minus 7 equals 6. That's what it should have said. Here we go. Here's another. A, 18 minus 9 equals 9. B, 18 plus 9 equals 9. C, 9 plus 9 equals 18. Okay, ready? Say which one doesn't belong right now. All right, I know you know this one because it's a double. 18 minus 9 is 9. Oh, this is also a double. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So the one that doesn't make any sense is 18 plus 9 equals 9, because if you're adding these two numbers together, the answer would have to be bigger than that. So hopefully you said B. B is the number sentence that doesn't belong. Let's fix it. 18 plus 9. Well, I know 18 plus 10 would be 28. And 9 is 1 less than 10. So 1 less than 28 is 27. And this one is even. That's bigger than the number sentences we memorize. We don't usually go over 20. All right, which number sentence doesn't belong? 20 minus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 12 minus 3 equals 9. All right, say which one doesn't belong right now. I know which one doesn't belong. Okay, let's look at B and C. 9 plus 3 does equal 12. And so if I have 12 and I take away 3, I'm left with 9. These two are related sentences. I know that 20 minus 9 isn't 9 because 18 minus 9 is 9. That's a double. So we have to correct it. 20 minus 9 equals, I want you to say it out loud. What's 20 minus 9? 11. Hopefully you said 11. Good job. I think we have one more in our game, friends. Which number sentence doesn't belong? A, 8 plus 2 equals 14. B, 8 plus 8 equals 16. Or C, 16 minus 8 equals 8. Say which one does not belong right now. Okay, I'm hoping that you said A, because B and C are both doubles and they're both related facts. 8 plus 8 is for sure 16, which means 16 take away 8, I'd have an 8 left over. So let's fix it. What is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 equals, hopefully you said 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. I can tell that by practicing your number sentences and your math facts all week. You've gotten really good at being able to pick out which number sentences were not correct because they were not number sentences you practiced this week. All right, friends, that's all I have for you today. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining me today on the Parents Math Tutor. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Tell others about our channel to help the channel grow so that everybody can have some free math tutoring. See you later. Bye.